Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And today I'm doing an After Effects tutorial. As you can see, I don't know how to say that word, so I'm not gonna say it. I don't know if it's pronounced Adobe or Adobe. After Effects CC 2018. It's the same as 2017. These transitions work on every one of those, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make a new composition, and you're just gonna press the composition thing right there. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a smooth. Oh, I don't know how to smooth. I forgot to spell smooth, but I'm going to just teach you guys how to do a rotation. Like, it's just like, I don't know how to call it, but like, it's like a rotation. Like, it just spins around. So, first thing you want to do is you want to add your clips into here, into the composition. So now, sorry, this clip didn't get in there, that's why. So you want to make sure you have 2 clips in here. And next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you highlight both, like just holding down and highlighting them. And then you're going to go to at least 2 seconds because we're not zoomed in all the way, so we don't want them to be long. And then, since they're both highlighted, we're going to press Ctrl-Shift-D on your keyboard. This is for Windows. And then you're going to backspace those. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take one and you're going to just like put it right there. And then you're going to try to get to the middle of it. And you're going to zoom in. And look, it's not overlap. It's usually going to be like that. But surprisingly, it was not overlap. So I'm really proud of myself right now. Hold on. I just used Graph Editor. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, right now we're going to put motion blur on it. So how you do motion blur is you just press this button right here, and then we click these 2 buttons. And that's technically how you do motion blur. Okay, after you do your motion blur, what you're going to do next is you're going to not motion blur, but after you do your motion tower, you're going to X this out, and you're just going to click down here, anywhere down here, and then now we're going to work on our rotation. So first we're going to click on our first clip. It's going to be the second one. Like, you always want to do bottom first and top up, instead of like putting this one right here and putting this one like right there, like making it like stairs. We're going to make the stairs going this way because it's just way easier, honestly. So yeah, you might not see it, but like when you do it, it's going to be really easy. And this can be smooth, so it's going to have the speed graph and everything. That looks difficult. It's really not difficult. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to the middle of the clip and zoom up all the way. Then you're going to press this. You're going to press it 3 times. Well, 2 times. Alright, no, 3 times. And this will happen. Sorry. You want to click it. Well, this button right here, you want to click it 3 times, and then after you zoom in all the way, you want to click it 3 times, and then so we're ready. So now, we're going to make sure we have this one clicked, and then we want to press R on our keyboard. And then you will see it says rotation. So we're going to click this like thing right there, and we're going to put it to 45. And as you can see, if you move more this way, the clip is tilted. And so now we're going to go to somewhere like right here. And we're going to add this thing right here. It's called a keyframe, and we're going to take this and put 0. Sorry. Oh god. This is like getting me right now. Okay, so we're just going to tap this and put it as 0 after we make the second one, and then we're going to highlight both of them and right click keyframe assistant and easy ease. Next thing you will do is, after they're both blue, you need if it gets off like that, all you have to do is highlight them again by doing the box, and then we're going to go off into the graph editor. And so it should look like this. If it looks like this, then all you need to do is right click, and then you see all this stuff. It says edit value graph. You're going to do edit speed graph. It's going to go like this. Next, you're going to click it. If it looks something like this, and or like this, or like this, if it looks something like that, all you have to do is click this button right here, go like that, and then that will happen. But if you have this, you're going to click it once, and then you're going to do this. So on this side, you're going to pull it this way, and you're going to take this side and pull it that way. And the way I know how to use this is because I learned this in science a long time ago, but it's speed versus distance time graph, I'm pretty sure. So as you can see, this part, it's increasing speed. So you always want to make sure you increase speed and then decrease speed. I know this sounds weird, but like, you don't need to know all that stuff, honestly. Next, you want to click R right here to get rid of all that stuff, and then you want to click your first clip right here, and you want to move back. You want to go right here and click one time, and then you want to press R because you want to start right there. For some random reason, I don't know why, I didn't make After Effects, but this is the way I do it to make it look smoother. And then I go right here, I keyframe again, but I change it to 0. And then I highlight, so you technically do the same thing, except for this one it's negative 45. Right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease, and then you just, graph editor, you just press this, but this time you're going to do this way, and this way. See, you go up a ramp, and then you decrease in speed, so, yeah, and then, I'm going to add a little shake to this, so I'll be back once I do a shake. Okay guys, I'm back, and I did a shake. So now what you want to do is press this clip and click R so you don't have to see anything else. And so now what you're going to do is you're just going to come over here so you can see the clip. Okay guys, so this is the tutorial on how to do the smooth spin, and alright, I'm sorry for the glitching. So this is the end of the tutorial and everything else, so hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful for you in every way, so bye.